Hi guys, so may gagawin tayo dito sa cylinder liner ng generator namin. So ayun, panoorin yung video at pakinggan yung explain ni Avatar.
Today we're doing honing the generator engine liner. The purpose of honing is to improve lubrication by creating tiny grooves on the cylinder liner surface, enhancing oil retention and reducing friction through a crosshatch pattern, which allows for better oil distribution and reduced wear, ultimately leading to better engine performance, increased efficiency, and longevity.
So ayun guys, narinig nyo na yung explanation ni Avatar. So maghuning tayo guys, kailangan tanggalin natin yung cylinder liner doon sa cylinder block para walang pupunta na abrasive materials doon sa crankcase. So ito guys, si Piolo, pinalinis natin after natin maghuning para siguradong walang abrasive materials na sasama doon sa crankcase natin. Ayun.
아파트